A very pleasant morning to one and all. Hello, guys. Welcome to the online platform of Sri Academy. Guys, this is the lecture for class 7th. So, student of class 7th, as you know, nowadays I am teaching you chapter 5, and yesterday I taught you 5A. So, today I want to teach you 5B. Chapter name is Exponent and Powers. Exponent and powers. Okay, I already told you how will you solve any exponential questions, but today I again tell you. Okay, all of you be ready. See here, the laws of exponents in the product form. A base is equal means a power m into a power n. You see here कि base are equal, okay, a and power are different, m and n. So in the product form means in your answer you will add the power, okay, a power m plus n. Suppose that 2 power 2 and 2 power 3. So you see here the 2 power 2 plus 3 equal to 2 power 5. Okay. Next in quotient form. So a power m by a power n equal to, this is in the divide form. So here a power m minus n. Okay. Next is in the power form. A power m power n. So in this form you multiply the power. Okay. A power m multiple n. Okay. You see example here. Okay, student. Now, and in the next inverse form, in inverse form, a power minus 1 equal to 1 by a power a. Okay, because if the power is negative, so you will write 1 by base and power. Okay, in 0 power, a power 0 equal to 1 because the value of the power 0 is 1. Okay, so without taking too much time, I want to start our lesson. So you see here, he express each of the following number in standard form: 538, 6,42,08,000. Okay, means you see there are so many questions. In solution, we can write in the standard form 538 means you put up decimal places of for 2 digits. 5.38 multiple 10 to the power 2. Okay, because why, you already plus the decimal 2 digits, so you write 10 power 2. Okay, next is that 6.42800, and after that multiple 10 to the power 1 2 3 4 5 6, 10 to the power 6. Okay, next is that 8.2934 multiple 10 to the power 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 20 to the power 10. Okay, next is also same, so you solve by yourself. Okay, guys. Next, question number 2. He express each of the following number into standard form. Diameter of Earth is equal to 12,75,06,000 meter. In the next question, I will show you answer. This is the question. Okay, distance between Earth and Moon, population of India in March, number of stars in a galaxy, the percentage of universe. So many questions are here. So in the next question, I will show you answer. Answer set is here. You see very carefully. The diameter of Earth equal to 12,75,06,000 meter. Means you place here the decimal. Okay, 1.2756 multiple 10 to the power 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 10 to the power 7 meter. Okay, this is in the standard form of any question. Okay, next question is that the distance between earth and moon, you write only answer कि 3.84 multiple 10 to the power 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10 to the power 8. Okay, next is that population of India in March 2001, you write only answer 1.027 multiple 10 to the power 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 to the power 9. Okay, next question you solve by yourself. Okay, if you have any problem then you ask me in Zoom class. Now question number third ki write a following number in expanded form. Write a following number in expanded form. Expanded form is very easy. Okay, because in chapter first in number system you already learn expanded form, short form. Okay, so this question you solve by yourself, but I want to tell you कि you write this number into expanded form, means 6 multiple 10 to the power 1 2 3 4 5 10 to the power 5 plus 8 multiple 10 to the power 1 2 3 4 10 to the power 4 plus 4 multiple 10 to the power 1 2 3 10 to the power 3 plus 5 multiple 10 to the power 2 and plus 2 only. Okay, so I say I hope you can solve it. Next question, and the next question is that 1 tens 100 40,07,185, you write it into the expanded form. So 4 multiple 10 to the power 1 2 3 4 5 6 10 to the power 6 plus 0 multiple 10 to the power 5 plus 0 multiple 10 to the power 4 plus 7 multiple 10 to the power 3 plus 1 multiple 10 to the power 2 plus 10 multiple 8 multiple 10 to 1 to the 10 to the power 1 plus 5 multiple 10 to the power 0. Next question is also same. Okay, 5 multiple 10 to the power 6 plus 8 multiple 10 to the power 5 plus 0 multiple 10 to the power 4 plus 7 multiple 10 to the power 3 plus 2 multiple 10 to the power 2 plus 9 multiple 10 to the power 1 plus 4 multiple 10 to the power 0. Okay guys, next question number 4, write a numeral whose expanded form is given below. Means here you write only in short form. So it is the question. In next slide I will show you answer. This is the answer. 6 multiple 10 to the power 4 plus 3 multiple 10 to the power 3 plus 0 multiple 10 to the power 2 plus 7 multiple 10 to the power 1 plus 8 multiple 10 to the power 0. Okay, you write 6 10 to the power 4 means 4 0 you write here 1 2 3 4 60,000 plus 3 multiple 10 to the power 3 means 3 you write 3 0 3000 plus 0 multiple 10 to the power 2 value of 0 equal to 0 plus 7 multiple 10 to the power 1 7 10 is 70 plus 8. After that you write into short form 63,078. Okay guys, next 9 multiple 10 to the power 6 plus 7 multiple 10 to the power 5 plus 0 multiple 10 to the power 4 plus 3 multiple 10 to the power 3 plus 4 multiple 10 to the power 2 plus 6 multiple 10 to the power 1 and plus 2 multiple 10 to the power 0. So here you write 9, after that 6 0 you write here 7, after that 5 0 you write here 0, value of 0 0 3 3 0 write 4 2 0 write 6 1 0 write and 3. Okay, and after that you write the answer 97,03,462. Okay, so all of you solve this all question into your fair copy, then school will be okay and I will check each and every copy individually. So thank you and have a very wonderful day. Stay home and stay safe.